Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola garden trellis is a sophisticated outdoor architectural feature that blends the structural strength of a pergola with the delicate, functional beauty of a trellis system. Traditionally, a pergola consists of vertical posts or pillars that support a cross-beam roof of open lattice or rafters. When you integrate a trellis, which is a framework of light wooden or metal bars, into this structure, you create a dedicated space for climbing plants and vines to thrive. This combination serves as a living ceiling or wall, effectively blurring the lines between man-made construction and the natural world, resulting in a focal point that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The primary benefit of installing a pergola garden trellis is the creation of a natural, breathable canopy that provides relief from the sun while maintaining an airy, outdoor feel. Unlike a solid roof, the lattice of a trellis allows filtered sunlight and cool breezes to pass through, creating a perfect microclimate for relaxation. Furthermore, it significantly increases your vertical gardening real estate, allowing you to grow fragrant jasmine, lush ivy, or even edible grapes in a small footprint. Beyond the botanical advantages, a pergola trellis adds clear architectural definition to your backyard, essentially acting as an outdoor room that increases your property value and provides a structured space for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee. Decorating a pergola garden trellis begins with choosing the right climbing plants to set the mood. For instance, wisteria offers a romantic, cascading purple bloom, while climbing roses provide a timeless, elegant look. To enhance the ambience during the evening, consider weaving string lights or Edison bulbs through the rafters to create a warm, inviting glow. You can also hang decorative lanterns or even a centralized outdoor chandelier for a touch of luxury. Adding outdoor curtains or weather-resistant fabric drapes to the sides of the pergola can provide extra privacy and a soft, breezy aesthetic. Finally, don't forget the ground level. Placing high-quality outdoor furniture, plush cushions, and large potted plants around the base will anchor the structure and make the space feel like a fully realized extension of your indoor living room. Choosing the right material is crucial for the longevity and style of your structure. Pressure-treated wood or cedar are popular choices because they offer a natural, rustic charm and possess inherent resistance to rot and insects. For those seeking a more modern or industrial look, powder-coated steel or aluminum provides incredible durability with very low maintenance, as these materials won't warp or crack over time. Vinyl is another excellent option for homeowners who want a clean, white aesthetic that never needs painting and can be easily hosed down. If you are looking for a more organic or traditional European feel, wrought iron trellises can be integrated into stone or brick pillars to create a heavy, permanent structure that ages beautifully with a natural patina. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best pergola garden trellis ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the modern chef's outdoor kitchen. This design features a light-toned wooden pergola with a wide slat trellis roof that perfectly shelters a high-end outdoor cooking station. The clean lines of the white masonry kitchen island contrast beautifully with the natural wood, while hanging ferns and a gold pendant light add layers of texture and warmth. This is the ultimate setup for those who love to grill and dine al fresco in a structured, contemporary environment. 2. The secluded garden daybed. A dark-stained wooden trellis structure is draped in lush, vibrant green vines to create a private cocoon for a circular wicker daybed. This idea focuses on living architecture, where the plants become the primary walls of the space, offering a cool, shaded retreat in the middle of a sun-drenched lawn. 3. The elegant white fireplace pavilion. This stunning idea utilizes a classic white-painted pergola with an intricate lattice trellis wall to frame a massive stone fireplace. The contrast between the crisp white beams and the rugged natural stones creates a high luxury aesthetic. A unique, twig-inspired pendant light hangs over the dining table, making it a sophisticated spot for formal outdoor dinner parties. 4. The wisteria draped walkway. In this design, an elongated pergola trellis acts as a breathtaking green tunnel, covered entirely in thick leafy vines. Positioned over a lush grass path, it features a simple wooden cafe set that invites you to stop and enjoy the scenery. This is a perfect example of how a trellis can be used to create a sense of mystery and journey within a large garden. 5. The contemporary privacy L sofa. This idea focuses on a modern, gray-painted L-shaped trellis wall that serves as both a backrest and a privacy screen for a built-in outdoor sofa. The horizontal slats are accented with hanging white globe lanterns and integrated planters, showing how a pergola trellis can be used effectively in smaller backyard corners to maximize comfort and style. 6. The rustic deckside pizza oven. Combining a raised wooden deck with a rugged timber pergola, this design incorporates a stone-clad outdoor oven and a long wooden bench. The trellis rafters overhead are lightly touched with climbing plants, allowing for a clear view of the surrounding trees while providing just enough structure to make the deck feel like a cozy, permanent room. 7. The minimalist poolside cabana. For a clean and ultra-modern look, this square profile lightwood pergola features thin, consistent trellis slats on the roof and one side. Placed right next to the pool, it houses a sleek white sectional sofa, proving that a minimalist trellis design can provide a high-fashion, resort-like feel to any backyard. 8. The Zen Garden potting station. A bold, black-painted pergola trellis creates a striking silhouette against a backdrop of lavender and green shrubbery. This design uses the structure to define a functional workspace, such as a potting table, showing that a pergola trellis can be both a beautiful focal point and a practical addition to a working garden. 9. The Italian countryside stone terrace. This design features a heavy timber pergola attached to a traditional stone house, overflowing with vibrant purple climbing flowers. The natural, weathered look of the wood against the stone masonry evokes a Mediterranean feel, creating a romantic and fragrant spot for a simple wooden dining set. 10. The classic cottage latticework. This traditional design uses a teal-gray painted trellis fence and pergola combination to enclose a wooden deck. Adorned with colorful hanging flower baskets and surrounded by manicured shrubs, this idea is perfect for creating a charming, secret garden vibe that feels cozy, private, and full of life. Designing the perfect pergola garden trellis is all about finding the balance between the architectural lines of the structure and the wild, organic beauty of the plants you choose to grow. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern aluminum frame for a poolside lounge or a rustic, wisteria-covered wooden canopy for your backyard dining area, a trellis adds a layer of depth and sophistication that few other garden features can match. It is an investment in your home's lifestyle, providing a sanctuary where you can reconnect with nature without ever leaving your property. If you found these pergola trellis ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly tips on transforming your outdoor spaces. We would love to hear from you. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!